So I'm about minding my own business, riding my bike, and a white van pulls up next to me. You gotta love it when these people just mess with you. He wants to see me do a wheelie. You gotta pay me. Five. Three. Two. What are you gonna do? It almost went bad there. And I almost lost my GoPro. Here I'm riding down, I'm like, where's my GoPro? Oh, there it is. We're good now. So, enough of that. Moving on. Yo, but check it out. There's a Bentley in front of us. Yerp. That's the Bentley. So here, I'm like getting ready to turn in the Home Depot, and I noticed that I was like, yo, check that car out. It's a cool ride. Oh wow, there's another one. What the heck? Oh, hold up. There's a car show over there, I bet. Yep. There's another cool car. Now, who would have thought this car show was like 2 minutes from my house? So I'm like, how do I get over there before the car show's over from this lane? So I'm just like thinking, if I make a U-turn, I gotta wait for the light again, and if I do that, then it's gonna take time, and I'm like, what the heck? Or I can just do this, maneuver through here, do it like that, and voila, I'm there. So I'm coming in here and I'm like, all right, yo, check it out. Now, what is that, Stingray? I don't know what those are called anymore. It's been so long since I've seen one. Check homie out in a Jeep. Give me the thumbs up. A Corvette. I don't know, I think this is Chevy. So many cool cars here. Old and newer. So I was like, man. They usually have car shows here before. I've seen them here before a couple times. Usually when it's a nice day out, they'll have them. The Corvette, that's a Stingray. Oh, not the 280 Classic, man. I wish I would have caught that one. But they had a lot of cars here, man. I was just kind of breezed through. I like to go to a car show. I don't want to get out and talk too much to the people or whatever, fraternize. I like to do my little drive-by, check out the cars. If I see something I like, might take a picture or, might get some video footage. But other than that, I just like to keep it moving. I don't like to camp out at a car show on a beautiful day. I want to ride my bike. That's just me. But I don't mind stopping by and checking them out for sure. So we're going through here, and I'm like, all right, excuse me, thank you, excuse me, right? That's a nice truck. Those are both nice vehicles, real nice. Some money invested in that stuff. I had to do the double look. I think I see something. Oh, there's some more nice vehicles. Oh, wow. Yeah. Wow. Very cool. So I'm rolling through and I see something on the horizon. I'm like, oh, my own Nemesis. The Z06. I'm like, that's your car, man? He's like, yeah. I'm like, nice ride, man. I smoked you on 50 before, but we won't talk about it.